It was 1901. Off the coast of Greece, near the island of Antikythera, a group of sponge divers discovered an ancient shipwreck. Inside, they found bronze statues, ceramic vases, and a corroded, ordinary-looking artifact that would forever change the world of science. This object, pulled from the seabed, was a 2,000-year-old computer. How was it made? Who built it? This incredible technology, which should not have existed during the height of the Roman Empire, remains one of history's greatest mysteries. It is proof that the past was far more complex than we ever imagined. After years of careful work, scientists finally began to unlock the secrets of what they called the Antikythera Mechanism. This was no simple clock. It was a miniature model of the solar system. It was composed of over 30 bronze ging wheels, all interlocked with incredible precision. These millimeter-sized gears matched the engineering accuracy of a modern clock. The dials on the mechanism didn't just tell you the date, they tracked the exact positions of the sun, the moon, and the 5 known planets in the sky. Even more astonishing, the device could track complex astronomical cycles. For example, it could predict when eclipses would occur with astonishing accuracy, looking 428 years into the future. This level of technology was unparalleled, even during the peak of the Greek and Roman civilizations. The next comparable device wouldn't appear for nearly 1,000 years. So, why was this device an anomaly? Researchers believe the inventor was likely a scholar near the circle of the great mathematician Archimedes. But how this knowledge spread, or why it suddenly vanished, is a total enigma. The most common theory suggests that the information was completely forgotten during a period of massive knowledge loss, perhaps linked to the destruction of centers like the Library of Alexandria. Think about it, this device was a scientific breakthrough that could have changed the course of history. Had this technology not been lost, the Industrial Revolution might have started centuries earlier. The Antikythera Mechanism deserves its title as the ancient robot. It's not just a pile of bronze gears, it's a message from the past. A message that tells us there was far more to history than what we read in our textbooks. The gaps in our knowledge may be hiding entire eras of lost mastery. This device, capable of calculating the movement of planets centuries ahead of time, proves that the ancient world wasn't just about temples and wars. This is the relic of high engineering, mathematical genius, and intelligence beyond its time. So, what other technological marvels that we don't know about are still lying deep beneath the sea or buried in the earth, waiting to be solved? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on this journey of ancient mysteries.